ohakonbanchiwa, Moon-chanだよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
ふ、ぼ。
Let's write kanji.
ふ、ふ。 This kanji means further. And this is how to write this kanji. 1、2、3、4。One more time. 1、2、3、4。
How to read this kanji?
Kanji has two different ways of reading, onyomi and kunyomi. The onyomi is close to the Chinese reading, and the kunyomi is Japanese original reading. Onyomi is fu. Kunyomi is chichi. Okay, then let's see example vocabularies using this kanji. Onyomi example is fubo. Fu means father. Bo means mother. So this means father and mother. Kunyomi example is chichioya. Chichi means father, oya means parent. So this means father. Chichi and chichioya have basically same meaning, but if you are talking about your own father to someone, you'd say chichi. And if you are talking about father as a category, then you'd say chichioya. And there's another word, otousan, meaning dad. This is the one you use when you call your own dad. You can use otousan in a sentence like this. お父さん、あれ取って。Dad, can you get me that? お父さん can be used when talking about someone's dad as well. あなたのお父さんはお元気ですか? Is your dad doing well? Okay, then let's go back to the kanji lesson.
Next kanji is
ぼ。ぼ。This kanji means mother. Then let's write this kanji. 1、2、3、4、5。One more time. 1、2、3、4、5。
How to read this kanji?
Onyomi is ぼ。kunyomi is 母。Then let's take a look example vocabularies. Onyomi example is 母子。ぼ means mother. 子 means child. So this means mother and child. Kunyomi example is 母親。母 means mother. 親 means parent. This means mother. 新しい言葉。祖父 grandfather。お父さん dad。祖母 grandmother。お母さん mom。 今日の授業は終わりです。またね。
You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.